Hi everyone, today I'm making rice with garlic. This recipe is simple, you only need a few ingredients, so let's start. Put the caldero in the stove, high heat, and add half of the oil, add the salt, add the rice, fry the rice for 1 minute, mix it up, add the garlic and the water. Taste it and see if you need a little more salt. And don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question about this recipe or any recipe you would like me to make, leave a comment below. Now that the rice had been absorbed all the water, cover the caldero for 10 minutes and lower the heat to medium low. After the 10 minutes pass, fluff the rice and cover it again for the next 5 or 6 minutes at lower heat. We check again after the 6 minutes pass. This rice is perfect. So let's add the rest of the oil. This is ready to eat. Now it's your turn to make this recipe as a side dish with the chicken and beans. Check it out, the link at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.